I've been making things since I was 3. Creating is my happy place and my passion. My hope is that you feel inspired as a result of watching my videos and create something incredible. I would love to hear about it by leaving me a comment below and give the thumbs up for other interested viewers. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together. And now I'll show you how this creative project was done. Are these cute or what? I've been wanting to do this project for a long time. To use the Metal Effects Patina by Modern Masters. It's an oxidizing finishing kit that puts a patina on whatever you want. And it says that you can use it on paper, that you can use it on anything paintable. So look at this. This is going to be so fun. So the first thing that I did was I just bought these cute little birdhouses at Hobby Lobby. They were just the total wood ones. I painted them. I decoupaged these die-cut butterflies that I actually got at the dollar store. So that was a find. So cool. I did have to put in the ring though to hold it. So I just, drilled a hole, put it in, not a problem. But what I do use and highly suggest is my Titebond Ultimate Wood Glue find. Oh, it's awesome. I mix it a little bit with water to kind of thin it out. It's waterproof. So I sponge painted it on and it gives a waterproof finish. It is just so awesome. I use it so often. My go-to outside waterproof glue. So that's where I am, and now I want to patina the roof. Now this is just a faux kind of metal effect, kind of, I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's not metal. So let's give it a go. So the kit comes with the primer, the Metal Effects oxidizing copper paint, and the green patina, and a little spray nozzle. First step is protecting the surrounding surfaces from spills or overspray. Prime surface with 2 coats of primer. Allow ½ hour between coats and 2 hours for final dry. So let's get started. So this is with 2 coats of the primer. Now it says 1 coat of the copper and let it dry for 30 minutes. Ooh, pretty. So now I'm on the last step. I'm going to paint 1 more coat of the copper on, and then I spray this patina, and then 30 to 40 minutes later, that's when the magic's supposed to happen. Do read the instructions on this. Make sure that you're outside, plenty of ventilation. I'm going to put gloves on. Just read the instructions. So I wouldn't wait overnight to paint your second coat. Make sure you could do it in the same day because it's been an hour at least, maybe an hour and a half, and the first coat hasn't even started to dry. So I think it needs to be wet to react. So I give the Modern Masters green patina thumbs up. I just loved it. I think it turned out just exactly like how I wanted. I think it really just added to the birdhouses. Super happy. So I think they turned out super cute.